Wow, thanks Mike for those facts about the rhino. Hi everyone, my name is Dr Vicky Boult and I'm a research scientist at the University of Reading. For the past 7 years, I have been lucky enough to study African elephants both in Kenya and in South Africa. And my research has focused mostly on what elephants eat and what in turn we can learn from that. So I've looked at how the food available to elephants and how that changes across space and over time influences elephant behaviours and elephant population dynamics. And given some of my findings, I've looked at what that might mean for the future of elephants. So considering how climate change and habitat loss might impact elephant food availability and how that in turn will affect elephants themselves. However, the first thing and the most obvious thing to note about elephants and their food is that they eat an awful lot. And as we know, what goes in one end has to eventually come out the other end in one form or another, which leads me quite nicely onto my section of the book, the elephant section. And the answer to does it fart is absolutely yes. Here goes. There are two species of elephant, the African elephant, Loxodonta africana, and the Asian elephant, Elephas maximus. In parts of Asia, elephants are often domesticated and used for work such as carrying heavy logs. As you can imagine, for an animal of such large size, elephants produce incredibly pungent farts in great volume. This being the case, people who work with elephants, known as mahouts, have learnt to treat particularly potent elephant flatulence by feeding them rice mixed with grilled garlic, although how and why this works is unknown. In the wild, elephants need to spend most of their time browsing on low-quality vegetation, which is high in cellulose and difficult to digest. Elephants are hindgut fermenters, like rhinos and horses, and as a result have a very long digestive tract full of bacteria that help them to break down tough-to-eat foods such as tree bark. This is part of the reason why elephants are able to become so large. Their digestive physiology means that instead of being held in the stomach, as it is in ruminants, food passes straight through to the colon and therefore through their body much faster. Digestive systems that use hindgut fermentation can accommodate much larger food intakes, enabling animals to evolve larger body sizes. So it is thanks to this incredibly gassy digestive system that these amazing animals are around today. So in summary, elephants eat a lot and they have a very long digestive tract and are therefore particularly gassy. Now, I think, at least I have, been wondering about bearded dragons. Do they fart? Let's hand over to Simone to find out.